Pause for a moment. Ask yourself, am I happy or stressed today? Self-reflection is vital in understanding our emotional state. It's essential to be aware, to recognize what we feel. But what if we could do more than just recognize? What if we could enhance, uplift, and transform these emotions? Imagine using something as simple and natural as crystals to boost your happiness and alleviate your stress. Being in tune with your emotions is the first step. Now, imagine harnessing the power of nature to elevate your happiness and lower your stress. Have you ever considered the power of crystals in your daily life? It's an intriguing question, isn't it? For centuries, cultures around the world have revered crystals for their unique properties and potential for healing and wellness. Let's delve a little deeper into this fascinating world. Crystals, in their multitude of shapes, sizes, and hues, are far more than just decorative objects. They're tangible pieces of the Earth's timeless energy, encapsulated in forms like quartz, amethyst, and citrine. Quartz, clear and powerful, is often hailed as a master healer. It's believed to amplify energy and thought and to stimulate the immune system. Amethyst, with its soothing purple hues, is often associated with calm and intuition. Citrine, a vibrant yellow crystal, is said to carry the power of the sun, promoting creativity and clearing negative energy. Each crystal, like us, is unique and has the potential to resonate with our energies in different ways. So why not explore what these natural wonders can do for you? So how can these crystals benefit you? Well, let's delve into the heart of the matter. Crystals, with their unique and radiant charm, have a multitude of benefits that can enrich our lives in various ways. Let's start with quartz, often termed as the master healer. This crystal is believed to amplify energy and thought, and is often used when one seeks clarity. It's like having a personal life coach, constantly nudging you towards clarity of thought and action. Next, let's turn our attention to the tranquil amethyst. Known as the stone of spirit, amethyst is often associated with calmness. Imagine it as a gentle friend, always there to soothe your anxious thoughts and pave the way for peace. Not to forget the vibrant citrine, also known as the light maker. This crystal is often linked to happiness and positivity. Think of it as a little ball of sunshine, spreading warmth and joy wherever it goes. Now you might be thinking, what's the science behind this? Well, the science is still catching up. There's limited scientific evidence to support the healing powers of crystals. However, what we do know is that many people who use crystals regularly report feeling calmer, happier, and more focused. And sometimes it's these personal experiences that truly matter. Remember, crystals aren't magical cures. They don't solve your problems for you. Instead, they serve as tools, helping you navigate through life's ups and downs. Crystals help to create a positive environment, encouraging you to look within and discover your inner strength. So, whether you're drawn to the clarity of quartz, the calmness of amethyst, or the happiness of citrine, these crystals can offer a unique and personal experience. They can serve as gentle reminders of your intentions, inspiring you to stay focused on your path. Crystals, in essence, serve as reminders of our intentions, helping us to stay focused, calm, and happy. Harnessing the power of crystals is simpler than you might think. The key lies in integrating these beautiful wonders of nature into your daily life. One way to do this is by carrying them with you. Imagine a smooth, cool stone in your pocket, always there to remind you of your intentions and to help you stay grounded. Meditation is another powerful setting in which to use crystals. As you focus on your breath, hold a crystal in your hand or place it in front of you. Let its energy intertwine with yours, guiding you towards peace and clarity. Crystals can also be strategically placed in your home or office. Like silent guardians, they can influence the energy of a room, promoting a sense of harmony and well-being. A quartz on your desk might aid concentration, while a soothing amethyst in your bedroom could encourage restful sleep. But remember, the true power of crystals lies not in the stones themselves, but in the personal belief and intention you attach to them. It's not about expecting the crystal to do the work for you. Instead, it's about using the crystal as a touchstone for your own aspirations and desires. Remember, crystals are not magic pills. They are tools that can help you focus your intentions, remind you of your goals, and potentially make you happier and less stressed. So why not give it a try? The power of crystals could be just the boost you need. So are you ready to add a little crystal magic to your life? Remember, crystals can bring balance, promote happiness, and even alleviate stress. The next time you feel stressed or unhappy, remember, a crystal could be just what you need. Don't forget to subscribe for more wellness tips.